nyame da me ka kire obi a na oka ho bi se na nyame ama yehu awon pa kwan so se onyame ne nsa wo Kennedy so
whilst you were with Alan.
Yes. Onyame susu eda nyama dia. I say do ba bia hu say confirmation be den.
Never.
Yes, say hu bibia ti bibia na nka wo ka ho asem. But in the point in time am pa bokoso it is now confirmed.
Hey,
I'm telling you.
Second day Japan.
Confirmed that God has chosen Kennedy for 2025. Kofi you can't say
Charles Owusu, the Reverend, our prophet.
Yeah, can't say me prophet.
Okay, Reverend. I think yes, at Major Radidi.
Yeah,
and I'm a Methodist minister.
Yeah.
By the special grace of God. Inti mejinya asim dipa. Though I have not seen it, but I say you are so emphatic.
Kofi, men in nada. So unyankopon ni nyanse mu na say ni niema yemu no. Odi adayeso kasa kire nipa. Odi ani so di hu kasa kire.
Asa we are no makaka check and the pon amom ntrima ndi you.
Obi anka bi kwan kire no. No, obi anka bi kwan kire no. But I'm telling you say ade na men ka say sabi baby anka nipa kra bebere dudu wo no. And it's all kind easy and I'm one. What any part of doing now. To cast in your choose now. So the crowd and we have a judge say said the nipa crazy poor. You decide nipa na credit a chino. A chess and party all kind of credit and no credit. The mom who say no credit said baby I'm making nipa do credit ho. And so me jam midima kasa on your meeting.
Said by the 4th November MPP and elect Kennedy Japan 2024 they will lose.
Of course, because you see, on a beer, me nyame adwen, but the nyame ama yehudie, on chusu, and you already on the money, mama cry. I'm telling you, I owura Kennedy in Japan, nyame choosing for 2025. No already on the money, mama.
As the president of the republic.
I mean, with all due respect to Ura Mahama, Sabi Osha. Nema wa ya o man Ghana haya. I mean, untimi kan yini DNA enfrim. When your opportunity be besom Ghana maya, me gidi so ba bi pekesi ya chende o ye ne kane. Anka be mani beso pa. Ba me no ka say Kennedy ti Ghana ko jana so. Sunsun what ya ko jana so.
I see. 20 minutes past 8. Charles Owusu, a former head of monitoring unit at the forest